guys, good morning. So let us see what is today's secret cards content message. Yeah, your natural state is joy. Okay, so when you are miserable, don't you feel as though every bit of energy has been sucked out of you? It takes so much energy to think negatively and to feel miserable. To return to joy is so simple. All it takes is one positive thought, and then another, and then another. Okay, so what they're coming to tell is your natural state is joy only. So God created you, and God created earth in the sense that is where is the environment you are going to live. So all around you, the whole environment he created with greenery, sunlight, and all colorful things is for you to see, admire, and enjoy. Have leisure time, live relaxedly, and be without stressfulness, and to be happy and joyous. God created everything for that only, and then He sent us to earth to live this joyous life. But instead of that, when you keep thinking miserable, your life is very pathetic. See, actually, what is the inner world you create happens externally also. Okay, external world is the external extension of your inner world. That is what I will tell. Okay, so when you create something very miserable inside, very pitiful about you, very disappointing, very frustrating about you itself, it also manifests in the outside world also. You cannot blame others for that. So when you feel your life is very miserable, you feel as if even the last drop of your energy is sucked out. Okay, so for a negative thought, it takes so much of energy to think and always be in that miserable and negative thought. Then why do you want to do that thing? Just to be in joy, one positive thought is enough. Think about one positive thought. Okay, you will feel peace. Then the other, then the other, then the other. Like that, when you keep on thinking about positivity, when you keep on thinking about this is what I want, if this happens this way itself, if my joyful dreams comes true, I'll be so happy. Like that, when you keep on boosting up yourselves with all the positive thoughts, obviously your mind will feel that joy. You will always admire that thought. Obviously you'll become energetic. So when your natural state itself is joy, why you yourself want to think all negativity and go to a miserable state? That is what is the content of this card. Okay, so like this, let us meet in some other card tomorrow. Until then, bye.